Please give me a second, so let me get this straight. The mini jester thinks there's a solution to our fate. Wait, let's hear her out. Got nothing here but time. Just let us in on what will save us here. We miss a sign. You hear that, audience? You're in for a show. We're breaking numbers, but we're suffering though. And as you chuckle on your side of the screen,
I'm Jack's boy, little mad boy. I do the addy kitty get you down. I'm your Jack's boy.
Nasa cellphone mo, be?
Nalobot si Kuya.
Ba't di mo si-charge?
Si Kuya hindi nga na-charge. Ang tumulog.
Oo, dapat kumuha mo para test siya. Para ako nagamit ko ng cellphone. Cellphone ni mama lang, kunin mo, hiram ko. Bilis ko yung mama, pero si papa sa akin. Bilis. Hiram mo lang ako kay mama cellphone. Yung gamit mo sa akin cellphone. Charge ko yung dapat na yan kay mama eh. Charge ka ako ni papa yan.